To the dollar store. Look, they celebrating Juneteenth. They got a whole end cap with Juneteenth on there. Oh, yeah. You looking for some Juneteenth decorations? Fast and quick? Here you go. And I'm getting this one. I'm getting this one. Oh, yeah. So, just a little, looks like they have the letter banner here that you can hang up. Yep. This one says Freedom Day. This one is celebrating 1865. Hey, Juneteenth going on at the dollar store. Represent, represent. Celebrate and commemorate the ancestors. Yep.